Hey Unifi family, good news! You are in for a treat. You now get 30 days of free access to all Unifi TV channels and up to 12 amazing streaming apps. Here's how to redeem your free trial. Go to unifi.com.my/free and click Redeem Now on the banner. Sign in using your registered email and enter the 6-digit OTP sent to your inbox. Accept the terms and conditions and choose your Unifi account. Then click Redeem Now. This will unlock all the Unifi TV channels for you. Want to try more? You can choose any of the streaming apps listed here, free for the first 30 days. Cancel anytime before your next billing starts. Once confirmed, you'll see your subscription summary and boom, you're all set to stream your favorite shows on the Unifi TV 2.0 app. To try more streaming apps with a 30-day free trial, click Redeem Streaming App, or to start watching right away, tap Watch Now. Remember to always sign in to Unifi TV 2.0 with your new Unifi TV ID. So what are you waiting for? Kickstart your 30-day free trial today and dive into endless entertainment with Unifi TV 2.0.